What's up, internet? This week's project is to rehabilitate this mess. This is the front entrance to my property. It's been here since I bought the property. The gate was here. You may have seen the video I made of the solar powered gate opener from Ghost Controls a while back. That thing works great, but the fence, which is old split rail out of, I think, Black Locust, it is basically rotted away. So I'm going to rebuild a fence, make it look a little bit nicer than this, paint the gate, just clean it up, because right now it's gross. And I don't want to spend a bunch of money on this project, and I don't think I'm going to have to, because I've got some wood that I salvaged from the roof that was over the trailer that we tore apart in the fall last year. These are all pressure treated 4x4 posts and some rough sawn 2x4 oak. Right, so I have this wood laying here to dry out for a couple days. Seems to have dried out. It was pretty wet, but I want to clean it up, paint it, get it ready to cut into fence posts and fence rails. All right, we got 7 5-foot fence posts made and waterproofed and ready to go. Now I gotta waterproof these 14-foot 2x4s, and we'll use these as the rails. Rails are painted, posts are painted. Now I'm going to head down to the gate and paint the gate posts and tear out the old fence. This turned out pretty good. This is the next day. Kind of got some rain yesterday, so I gave up on it until today, which is good for the tomatoes. So we'll give a little update on this Ghost Controls opener. This is an off-grid solar-powered opener, so it's great for farms and any place that doesn't have access to power. I did a complete install video 3-4 years ago when I put this in. It's been a great system. I've had no problems with it. Highly recommend it. I'll leave links in the description below if you're interested in a gate opener with all of the components and options. This is the main control board. It runs on 2 batteries that are in here, and it's charged by the solar panel on top. If you do have access to power, you can charge the batteries using a 12-volt adapter that comes with it. You just have to supply your own 16-gauge hookup wire. But this is off-grid. I've replaced the batteries once. I have upgraded the solar panel from the smaller 10-watt to this one. There's a 20-watt because we don't get quite as much sun. As you can see, there's a lot of trees. But since upgrading that, has solved any issues I had with like the batteries going dead. We do have 2 or 3 properties that this gate serves, so there's a lot of traffic. It opens and closes quite a bit every day. I have upgraded the main board in here. They came out with a newer version that has a sensor that allows you to use your phone. So you can open and close the gate and control party mode and all of the features and functions using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi over the internet. And that's been really, really cool. This has the ZombieLock, so it locks the gate. When you go to open it, the lock unlocks, the arm pulls the gate open. And then when you close it, the arm closes it and the lock engages. It's been great. Right now, I need to clean this up a little bit. I'm going to try and get all this old chipped paint cleaned up as best I can. And then I'm just going to hit it with some flat black. was a good bit of work, but got all the posts out. Just using a T-post puller with a chain, leverage, elbow grease. If you got a farm or a homestead, man, you can't get away without being with one of these. Tractor Supply. All right, I just got back from the store, got some concrete, got the posts setting in the hole. I'm gonna get them lined up with a string and then concrete them in and let them sit overnight. Looks a lot better than it did. It took me about 3 days because I was working on it 2 hours a day, but it's finished. See you in the next video.